Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build customer segmentation models with Salesforce, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start building customer segmentation models with Salesforce, access your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Reports tab found in the main dashboard. Click on New Report to initiate the report building process. Select the accounts or contacts report type depending on your segmentation needs. Once you select the report type, click Continue. You will be directed to the Report Builder interface. Here, you will see various fields to customize your report. Begin by selecting relevant fields for your report such as demographics, purchase history, and engagement metrics. Drag and drop these fields into the report layout. Apply filters to narrow down your customer data. Consider filtering by criteria like customer type, location, or purchase frequency. Once your filters are set, preview your report to ensure it captures the desired customer segments. Next, click on Group Rows to categorize your data further. This will allow you to create segments based on specific criteria such as age group or sales amount. After grouping, you may want to add summarization by clicking on the Summarize button. Summarization helps in analyzing total sales or average purchase sizes within each segment. With the report layout ready, click on Save and Run to generate your report. Give your report a descriptive name for easy identification later. Once the report is generated, analyze the results for insights into customer behavior. To visualize the data, click on the chart icon to add graphical representations. Select a chart type that best represents your customer segments, like bar or pie charts. After finalizing your visualizations, customize the dashboard view for easier access in the future. You can also share the report with team members by clicking on the Share button. Consider using Salesforce's Einstein Analytics for advanced segmentation models. With Einstein, you can further refine your customer segments using machine learning algorithms. Finally, continuously monitor and update your segmentation models to adapt to changing customer behaviors. By following these steps, you'll create a robust customer segmentation model using Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.